among the birds. I am a descendant of that queen, and I have returned to become a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures from places around the world. Now, nature explorers like you come to this place too. That's why my favorite part of each day is when the birds who live here join me in the dance to welcome you. No. We're in India! That is right, another pool. So who are you?
My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell. And who is your furry friend?
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy. Speak, boy.
Hi there. Hi there. My name is Doc.
You can talk? I've never met a talking dog before.
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Doc. I'm Annika, a senior wilderness explorer from the local Cheetah tribe, Moor Lodge. Oh, Moor means peacock in the Hindi language.
Wait a minute. It's you. We found you.
Found me? Was I lost?
If you are lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you. Oh yes, I can, because squirrel!
We know you. We read about you in our Wilderness Explorers newsletter.
Oh yeah, the newsletter about birds from around the world. Right?
Yeah, now we're ready to have a new bird adventure.
Then you're in the right place. Say, that's a nifty camera, Russell.
I used it to take pictures for my adventure book.
I had a camera just like it. You know, they don't make those anymore.
Really? It's my Wilderness Explorer camera.
Oh.
Hey, are they Wilderness Explorers too?
I bet they are explorers and adventurers. Who's been out earning lots of Wilderness Explorer badges? Or plans to? Shabash, wonderful.
Then they should know our pledge. Oh, please, 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 can I lead it now?
Sure. Let me take your camera and then we can say it together.
My Wilderness Explorers camera?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Wilderness Explorers are the... I'll put it somewhere safe and sound.
Really safe?
Yes. Really safe and sound. Now, everyone, let's all repeat after Russell.
An explorer is a friend to all.
Explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Squirrel. Tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar.
The wilderness must be explored.
Wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar!
Shabash! Give yourselves a hand. Say, this has turned out to be quite a gathering of explorers today. I think everyone is here except for our other bird expert, who dedicates his time to the study and care of the birds here. Everyone welcome my friend Adam!
Hello everyone! Welcome! And namaste.
Namaste.
In my time here, I've learned to interpret the bird's natural behaviors in order to better understand them. And you guys can too? Has anyone here ever had a great bird adventure before?
Of course I did.
We did! With our bird friend, Kevin.
Who is Kevin?
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
You can talk?
A talking dog!
Kevin, does he talk like people too?
Oh no, the bird named Kevin talks like a bird.
Oh, and by the way, Kevin is a girl.
Oh.
She is baby birdies. Oh yes, she does.
So, what does Kevin look like?
I'll show you. A wilderness explorer's always prepared. I have a picture.
Okay. Oh my, that's a big picture.
You can keep it.
For me? Oh, thank you, Russell. Here.
So that's a Kevin bird.
Let's hang it up for everyone to see.
Cool.
Yup, Kevin has long legs.
She can run very fast,
Very fast. And she's colorful.
loud, and big.
I can see that. Sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
We did. Kevin is the reason we love birds so much.
That is great. Well, Kevin was just the beginning.
So explorers, do you want to meet some more of the birds who call this place home?
I do. Yay! I can't wait to have another bird adventure.
Oh, well, look over here. It's Miles. Hi, buddy.
Look at that, Doug.
That is an interesting bird.
Sure is. Like Annika said, that is Miles. And Miles
he
is the
looks
trumpeter
nice.
hornbill. These guys are so neat. They're found out in Africa, and they're designed for extreme flying. They can maneuver and dart throughout the trees in order to catch their favorite treats
Flying insects.
without losing any speed.
Hey, I know. Would you all like to see how Miles flies in the wild but up close and personal? Great! Okay, we are going to create a forest right now. So, if you're seated at the end of the row in our lower center section, go ahead and
Doug.
stand up. Don't be shy. We're going to have a lot of fun, I promise.
Hello,
Now,
Doug.
take a
I
step
have just
into
met
the
you and
aisle,
I
face
love
the
you.
explorer opposite you. Now raise your arms high up, like a canopy of trees. Fantastic! And hold it.
Alright? You guys are doing a great job. Just keep still and watch close. We'll see if Miles will fly right through your arms. And keep an eye out, like I said, he is really fast. Alright, the other Adam, he's in the back. He's got plenty of treats. Here we go!
Shabash!
Did you see that, boy?
Thank you all so much. That's right, little
Hello,
sapling.
Doug.
It's your turn now. So just like that side, up you all go. Yes, you can stand right here, little sapling. Come on, stand right here. Let's step into the aisle. Face this way. So my little sapling in the yellow hat, can you take a step back? There we go, hold it.
Alright, you guys are doing an awesome job. Just keep still and keep an eye out for Miles. He's going to be coming from the back this time. Let's see if he'll make his way back up here to the front. What do you think, Miles? Here he comes! Welcome back!
Shabash!
Look at that bird.
Let's give a round of applause for our trees on both sides. Thank you, and you too, Miles.
Right.
Yes.
Super awesome, buddy. I don't have any flying insects, but
Oh.
I've got a great.
Okay, let's run this out. Good.
Oh.
Never mind.
Well, Miles, you were so awesome, but we have so many more birds to share with everybody. You know the way home, through the window,
Hop on in.
just like we practiced,
Hop.
like every day. Left at the light.
And that was Miles, that trumpeter hornbill. Now, about the next bird you're
Is it a
going to...
snipe? I'm still looking for one of those. Here, snipe.
Snipe?
Here, snipe.
Oh, you
Find the
guys!
birdie. Find the birdie.
Here.
Quick.
Wow, he has a big beak. Just like Kevin.
Yeah, he does. Well, this guy is a ground hornbill, also from Africa.
And ground hornbills are incredible.
Yes.
They get their name because they spend a lot of time on the ground. But the cool thing is they can use the huge beak that they have with the force of a sledgehammer.
Hey,
Uh-oh, I
let me get my camera.
I think he's messing up the camera.
Oh, that's his camera.
What?
That's his camera. Get the book.
Get away from that. Over here.
Oh, he is an angry birdie.
No, he's not angry, Doug.
I am so sorry about your camera. Maybe we can fix it.
That's alright. My Wilderness Explorer camera. Safe and sound?
Are you all right, small mailman?
At least I don't have to worry about breaking it anymore.
I'll find you a new camera. my gift to you.
Really?
Wilderness Explorer's honor. Now about that bird, huh? Smashing food is just one of the behaviors birds learn to survive in the wild, yes?
Right. You know, Russell, not all birds are so wild. You know, some live really closely with people. Like around here, there are plenty of ducks, and
Yes.
other birds do.
Oh, guinea fowl!
Like guinea fowl. But there are cardinals and
Grackles,
ibis,
morning doves,
hawks,
blue jays.
and chickens too.
Where? Oh, hello, ladies!
Number
Chickens.
3.
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
I'll be right back.
Chicken birdies. Oh,
Come back, boy.
I think they ate for more than they can handle, because chickens are fast. And they're pretty smart too, right?
Right.
There are all kinds of birds here with special talents, and others with charm and personalities that make them so lovable.
Right, like parrots.
They crow on you.
But they can be some of the most challenging pets you could have in the home.
Yeah, they can bite.
And they can scream.
And they poop everywhere.
Seriously though, not the easiest roommates.
Yes, but some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like
Keto!
Oh, we have to show you this bird.
We sure do.
No.
Keto, all of our brand new friends are right here, so why don't you give them a great big greeting? A greeting?
Short and sweet. Now, Keto here makes us laugh quite a bit, right, Adam?
She sure does. Keto here, you know, I would tell you more like what kind of parrot she is, but she can do it instead. This is Keto, and she's a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. And they're usually found in the forest of Central America, but Keto has grown up with people her entire life, and she's learned to take her mimicry to the next level. And what's your favorite thing she does? The animal
Oh,
sounds?
yes, they're so good.
Which one?
The tiger.
The big, scary tiger. One more. Nice.
Can she do anything tame?
Sure, yeah. If that was too much, we can do the smaller tiger. How about your kitty cat? Nice. Hey, have you been to Australia?
No.
No? Well, if you go, you might be able to hear this next one.
Oh.
The kookaburra. Nice. And now you don't even have to go. You know, one of my favorite things that she does, though, the animal sounds are cool, but she can take it to the next level. Let's see if she wants to show off. I think they're just about ready. Are you ready? Let's sing.
Oh, McDonald had a farm. Oh, had a farm. Had a oh, here everyone. Oh, McDonald had a farm. Oh, great job,
You know, that song right there took 3 years of training. And it never comes out the same way twice. Keto, you know, you were so awesome, but I think it's about time for you to say goodbye.
Everyone, say goodbye to Keto!
Aloha.
Keto, thank you so
Goodbye.
much. Keto
Alhamdulillah.
really is one in a million.
She sure is. You know, most parrots, they never learn how to talk, and they can live to be pretty old too.
What, 50 to 60?
Yeah,
years
I mean,
old?
quite a huge commitment.
be my friend. Oh, please, please be my friend. Whew. I am back now from tracking chickens.
Do you have fun chasing the chickens?
Oh, yes, they were fast.
But not as fast as Kevin. She could outrun them.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, that bird Kevin is much, much faster.
And she was bigger, like a dinosaur. But we were never scared. Not once.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, we were not scared. Not at all.
Because we're brave explorers. Nothing scares us. Right, boy?
Well, great. Then you're going to love our next one.
A dinosaur!
Scary birdie, scary birdie.
No, no, no.
Doug, come back!
Guys, he is not scary, just a little bit. Russell, I'm glad you're still here, huh?
No, Russell. Well, in the meantime, we'd love to share this beautiful bird with you guys then. The Andean condor.
We call him Ozzy!
That's a big bird.
He absolutely is. Andean condors are the largest member of the vulture family. The wingspan on Ozzy is 10 feet wide. Check this out.
Don't worry, everyone.
That's right, Russell. There is no need to worry. Vultures
these birds so special? And the circle of life is what they love to eat, right?
They eat carrion,
Which is?
dead things.
Exactly. The bodies of the animals that have died in the wild. It's kind of gross, but it is so important. It stops the spread of disease and cleans up what gets left behind out in the wild. So we like to call them nature's recyclers. And if we all did just a little bit more recycling, the earth would be a much cleaner place.
Indeed.
But my favorite thing about these birds is how cute they look running on the ground. What do you think? Your runway's open. You want to strut your stuff?
On your mark, get set, go!
Tuck the wings.
Carry on!
That was Ozzy.
Oh, I do hope God comes back.
That's so scary.
So cute.
Back.
Oh, well.
Monica, Russell, look.
Hey, Doug, glad you're back.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a wilderness explorer is friend to all.
That's right.
Yeah, clown fish are
And all
tiny more.
animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they will show you just how wonderful they
How
are.
about it, boy?
I am a friend to all the animals. Yes, I am. Especially the birdies. Show me the birdies.
Yes!
Well, there's another one of our favorites now. The African crown crane. Meet Fraser. Fraser Crane.
He is just one of the many birds here that connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Doug, say hi.
Hi there. I like the birds.
And they like you, Doug. The crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with their tall golden crowns. Can't you just imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
Why, Birdie? Why?
Hey, I have an idea. Do either of you want to feed Fraser?
I do. Yeah? Come on.
Okay, Russell, come on over. I've got one of his favorite treats for you. Here you go.
Oh.
He really goes gaga for bird seed.
He does.
I'm here to stick something like that. My mom makes me crush it.
Very funny, Russell. But believe it or not, there's no hair on this bird at all. The crest on his head, and even his eyelashes are all modified feathers. And it's actually pretty cool. The ones on his head, they're shaped like a corkscrew. So they stand up like that all the time. I mean, he doesn't even use product. It's pretty neat. That was Fraser Crane.
Oh, that's a very friendly bird.
He sure was. And you know, African crown cranes are so important too.
Yes.
And they're going through a little bit of a struggle of their own right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you know, many people still poach those guys, and conservation is a real problem for them. But they're so important. They can help stop the spread of disease by
Right.
eating all sorts of different
The
insects.
farmers love them.
Yeah, exactly. But you know, up next we have one of my favorite birds. Probably my favorite animal. Keep an eye out.
Ooh, look at them.
A symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle. Everyone, meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, the bald eagles aren't actually bald.
My cousins in the West have told me so much about these birds. She is so majestic.
And inspiring too. You know, not long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. But through conservation efforts, all of us played a huge part in helping their population to recover. And now, I'm happy to say the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Wow, we can really make a difference.
Right, Russell. If we make a conscious effort to protect the planet and the animals that we get to share it with, we can make a big difference.
Thank you, Hope. And now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. Ancient mythology from India, a story is told that once the tail feathers of Moor Peach were dull, but in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is a symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. I call this beautiful creature Nabil, which is a very noble name. And not only is peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my wilderness explorer's lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
You know, you're right, Russell. And did you know that there are literally thousands and thousands of bird species that live all over the world? And you don't have to go that far to find them. Many are right in your backyard or at your local parks back at home.
You know, whether it's a Kevin bird, an eagle, an owl, or even a peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their stories is just the beginning of your adventure. Smile, Russell. For you, so go explore.
Wow, a new camera. Thanks.
Russell, right behind you, a Toko toucan.
That's a cool bird.
Hi, Sunny.
There's a Eurasian eagle owl with Cassie.
Hello.
Hope's back over there with Adam.
Look at him.
A little Tarako too.
Hi.
He's a Livingston's Tarako.
Oh,
Like a mohawk.
leaving.
Oh, see you later.
Heads up, Russell, you've got friends everywhere.
They like me. They really like me.
They sure do. What do you think, Doug?
I too can run around like birdies.
Look who's flying like a bird now.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I love them all.
Thanks for showing us so many birds.
Our pleasure.
So glad you could all visit our feathered friends here today.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up. Right, Russell?
That's right. Oh yeah, the wilderness must be explored.
Now let's go and have a wonderful next adventure. Namaste. Bye.
So long.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh,
Bye,
come here.
Doug.
Be my
I
friend.
just
Be my
met you and I
friend.
love you.
I love chicken birdies. Oh, I love them.
Hey, look, wait up.
Bye, Russell.